What's up, everybody? It is Hot Wheels Gamer 458 here, and as you can see, I got three big boxes right in front of me. And well, let's see what's inside. If I can get it open at least. Come on. Alright, then there's this little one. Sorry for all the shakiness. I'm actually holding my phone along with trying to do this at the same time. Alright, there we go. Got this one opened. Alright, let's see what it is. I'm gonna put the phone down for a little bit. Oh, look at that. It's the Maserati Quattroporte. Thank you very much. And let's see, what about this big, giant box? There we go. Well, a bunch of bubble wrap. Wow. Look at that. There's a whole lot of bubble wrap. Oh. A LaFerrari and a protector. Sweet. Oops. See, drop the pen there. I'll get that later. Right, let's see what about this one. There we go. Hey, come on, paper. This guy shipped it in the bubble wrap. I prefer bubble wrap over paper. Alright, come on, get out of there. Oh, sweet. Also protector too. And it's the Acura NSX Super. Wow, that's beautiful. Alright. Here's the total of what I got. Oh. It's a LaFerrari, the Maserati, and the Acura NSX Super. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe for more.